So I'm just on my way to my next destination, but I had to stop and show you this awesome view. This is Llyn Clwedog. Hey guys, and welcome to day 2 of my little Wales trip. And for this video I'm going to be trying to find Ystrad Einion mines. Apparently there's the ruins are up this hill, and there's an old, or the remains of an old water wheel. So I'm going to try and find that. This already feels like a bit of a wild adventure because the path, if this is a path, it's quite overgrown. It doesn't look like anyone's been here for a while. So hopefully I'm headed in the right direction. Okay, well, we found some ruins, but obviously this isn't the mine. So I'm presuming, okay, don't know where that goes. So I don't know how you actually get into the water wheel. I don't know if it's down that tunnel. Well, the guide I've got says follow the path north from below the crusher house. So I'm presuming that this is the crusher house. Well, not much left of it. Oh, I thought that this was it then. I thought they'd buried it off. But there's a massive gaping hole there. I mean, to be honest, I'll be surprised if they haven't buried it off wherever the entrance is, if I can find it. Well, the entrance to this mine and to the water wheel is eluding me at the moment. Okay, I have been walking everywhere, up, down, back down to my van, back up again, couldn't find the bloody entrance to the tunnel. And then I looked at my guide again and it said follow the path north from below the crusher house. Now there's a sign just down there which tells you that this is the crusher house. And using my, typically I left my compass in my other rucksack, but then I had a bit of a brainwave and realised that I've got a compass on my phone. Well, it wasn't where I just was, but I have just found it. But as suspected, it's gated off, which is a bit annoying. Oh shit. Is it actually locked though? Oh shit. It's not locked. It's not locked. Yeah, this is a great idea, Greg. Fucking hell. Well, this is more than 5 meters. Fucking hell. I don't know if you can see that. Don't like how that looks. Well, mission accomplished. Just hope that you can see it on the video. Bloody hell, that is, that's creepy. I'm just looking on the screen, you can't see sod all, can you? But I would say it's about 50 metres into this tunnel. There is light at the end of the tunnel. But yeah, that was creepy as hell. Oh, well, that was a little adventure. I've got no idea if you're gonna have been able to see the water wheel on my video until I watch the videos back. Probably not, it was pretty dark in there. I've just finished filming round at the mine and I've got to show you this absolutely stunning location. So you got the water mill there, and as I was passing I saw a waterfall in the background and I thought I'd just call in and have a look. And it is one of the most stunning locations I have ever seen. It's like a hidden lagoon back here with an incredible looking waterfall. Now wait for it, because this is absolutely amazing. Check that out. Absolutely incredible. How amazing is that? Wow. Absolutely incredible.